Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. Now let's tap on language, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. What's more, if you cannot find the language that we'd like to set, no worries, as you can see they are Samsung suggested. So after tapping on the three dots again and tapping on all languages, you will be able to check the full list of them. So let me find, for example, French maybe. Let's tap on it if you found the language you would like to set. If you can choose the region, also just tap on the one you would like to choose. And as you can see right now, your device will ask you if you want to set the chosen language as a default one. So you can decide if you want to keep current or set it as the default. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, the French language in my case immediately appears at the very top of the list. Right now it is also marked, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case French. So let me enter those options again, and right now if you've got two different languages, if you'd like to set also again, for in my case English as a main one, all you have to do is simply tap on it and hold it. Let me show it to you again. Tap, hold, and as you can see right now we can by just choosing those arrows, we can change the places, we can switch the languages. So the language which will be on the very first position will be the main one. So let me drag the English to the first, and right now we can go back. And as you can see, it is also sorry, changed right here. So from now on we've got the English as a main language. Of course, you can remove those languages, just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now you can mark those who would like to remove. I will remove French, so simply tap on the trash bin icon, tap on remove, and as you can see we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.